Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eleni and I'm a third-year dental student. I go to Tufts University. I do weekly vlogs so you guys can get an inside look into what dental school is like. Today is Tuesday, March 29th, and I wanted to start off a new week with you guys. It's been a while since I've vlogged. I've been so busy and so behind with editing, so I'm excited to get back into it. I finally do not have any exams coming up. I don't have to study, so I'm just focusing on clinic and relaxing, reorganizing, getting caught up with vlogging and editing. So I'm really excited to start that up again this week, and hopefully I can get more vlogs out for you guys. I feel like I keep saying that over and over again, but this time for real, I don't have much going on with my classes and studying, so that will give me more free time to work on vlogging and my YouTube, so I'm excited about that. And I was gonna start yesterday on Monday. I usually like to start my vlogs on Monday, but I was just so tired and exhausted. I felt it would be better just to start today, but I just want to let you guys know anyways that, you know, some days are hard and there are going to be days that you're exhausted, and clinic sometimes can be really frustrating and hard, just as like when you're doing classes or if you're in the pre-clinic. There's always going to be some days that aren't as good. There's definitely some good days as well, but just keep in mind that, you know, not every day is going to be good, and you just got to keep going. But anyways, I started yesterday by writing in my planner. I usually like to do that on Mondays to get organized. So I already have my planner all written in, so I have everything for the week. I have a bunch of exams, a bunch of appointments this week. I'm seeing a couple of my patients this week, which is great. And then I had a caries workshop today, and I have a pros workshop on Thursday afternoon. So for today, for the caries workshop, we basically just went over the different types of caries. So if it's sound, which means there's no caries, initial, moderate, or advanced. And we had like a 30-minute lecture, and then the last 30 minutes of the workshop, we kind of had like a test, and we just went from, there were different stations that each had a tooth, and we had to identify what kind of caries it was. So if it was sound, like no caries, initial, advanced, or moderate. So that was today. And then also I have been doing core power yoga. I signed up. They have 2 weeks free, so I signed up last Saturday. So I've been doing it pretty much every day, and it's been so hard, but I've been loving it. So I had an afternoon doing core power yoga, and it was great. But also, because I haven't vlogged in so long, I've saved up a bunch of packages that I've gotten that I wanted to show you guys. So I have a bunch of things that I wanted to show you. So first, I actually got this sweatshirt from the D24 class, I think. They're doing like a merchandise fundraiser, so I got this really cute sweatshirt. And then I got these matching sweatpants to go with it. It just says Tufts Dental, so I really love them. I figured I might as well get as much of these things as I can, because otherwise, you know, after this I won't probably be buying much of it, so I wanted to get as much of it as I can. So next I got some things from Cocofloss, and if you guys have not tried them out, I highly recommend. I have a code and I'll link it down below for you guys so you can check out Cocofloss. But I actually got this sweatshirt, and it's available for everyone who is a Cocofloss ambassador. So I got this really cute sweatshirt. It's super soft, and it says relax and Cocofloss, and I thought it was really cute. And then also from Cocofloss, I got this really cute, I don't even know what you would call this, but like vase or with a cover, and I think I'm gonna buy a bunch of Cocofloss and put them inside here, so I thought this was really cute. It says fresh cut Cocofloss, choose your fragrance. So I got this as well. Lastly, I got a few things from Curtsy, and if you guys have not heard of them, it's an app that you can get thrifted or secondhand kind of clothes. So you can find your favorite brands like Figs or Abercrombie, Lululemon. So it's basically just clothes that people either wore once or never wore, and they're just trying to resell it. So I got 2 more pairs of scrubs from Figs. So first I got these jogger pants, this olive, and it has the cinch at the bottom. These are actually my first pair of jogger pants, so I'm really excited about these. And I also got the top to go with it. And this one has the pockets in the front, so very cute. And then I also got this very fun pink color scrub, and it also has the pockets in the front. It looks just like this. And then I also got the pants, and it has the scrunch at the top, and they're just kind of like straight down. But I thought these are really cute, and I wanted to get them, and I got them on the Curtsy app, so you guys can check them out as well. But yeah, that's basically all that I've gotten the last few weeks, and I wanted to show you guys. So I did like a little reel of unboxing them, and I did an unboxing reel, so you guys can check that out too on my TikTok. But yeah, so it's 9:30, and I think I want to go to bed early. I have to wake up early tomorrow, so I think I'm going to start my nighttime routine and get ready for bed, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock on Wednesday now. I am so tired. Today was such a long day. I just showered. I did core power yoga earlier today. I signed up for the 2 weeks free, and it's been so good today. It was so hard, and I'm so sore, but I've been loving it. So it's been really motivational, and I've really been liking going to it. But anyways, I meant to vlog earlier today, but I was just like so busy and so tired. So I just didn't. But anyways, today I had an exam in the afternoon, and then in the morning I was doing lab work and getting ready for my patient at 1. So it was just like a lot of busy work and preparing. So yeah, I was just like busy all day. But anyways, I'm gonna edit a vlog right now because I want to get something up for you guys, and then I think I'm gonna head to bed because I'm just so tired and exhausted, and I want to get some rest. Tomorrow I have an appointment in the morning, and then I have a pros workshop in the evening, so that will be fun to vlog and show you guys. But my camera is about to die, so I'm going to get to work on uploading a vlog for you guys and get to bed. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's 9:30 on Thursday night. Today was another busy day at school. I had a cleaning this morning, and then at 1 o'clock I took the session off, did some lab work, and then at 4 I had pros workshop, and basically we're just practicing for our competency that's next week. And this competency is to simulate what the CDCA pros exam will be like. We have that board exam in August along with endo, and I also have my endo competency next week as well. So I'm gonna have to prepare for those. I think I will next week because I have a day off on Tuesday. But right now I'm just going to go over my patient's chart for tomorrow morning. I'm doing an exam, and then at 1 I have a cleaning, and then 5:30 I signed up for another core power, and so I'm really excited for that. Today I took the day off since I had a late workshop from 4:30 to 7. But yeah, it's pretty late. I'm pretty exhausted. I just had dinner. But I'm gonna work on my patient's chart, prepare for tomorrow, make sure I have everything organized and ready for tomorrow morning, and then hopefully get to bed early. But yeah, that's all that's going on right now. I feel like I haven't been good at vlogging, but I've been doing a lot of TikTok reels, and like I put them on my Instagram too, so you guys can check those out too for like daily insight into what my life is like. So those have been a lot of fun to do, and they're pretty easy, so I like doing those. It's sometimes a little bit trickier to do vlogging because I have to like talk to you guys, pull out my camera. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to do better at vlogging, but I'll keep up with the TikTok reels and like the daily vlogs. So yeah, I'm gonna work on getting organized for tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Friday afternoon. It's around 4:30. I had a patient this morning and it went really well. I'm gonna be doing complete dentures for my patient, so I'm really excited about that. But then my 1 o'clock patient canceled because they felt sick. So I felt it was better just to cancel and reschedule. So I had the afternoon off, and I've been so tired. This week was so long. So I actually went to the library, did like a little bit of work here and there, and then I like napped. I found this room, and there's this couch that I'm sitting on. So I kind of just laid on the couch and slept for a little bit. But I've kind of just been doing little things here and there that I've had to get done. And I'm going to core power yoga at 5:30, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I don't have much to show you guys today, or really I feel like I didn't show you guys much this week. It's just been so busy in clinic, and I can't really show you guys much in clinic. But like I said before, I've been doing daily TikToks, so you guys can follow my TikTok or my Instagram. And I post daily reels, which are a lot easier for me to do than vlogging. But yeah, I hope that these videos are still helpful and enjoyable for you guys. I can talk a little bit more in depth about clinic and how it's going. I just can't like show you guys too much. But yeah, I feel like for clinic, we're almost a year into clinic. And I feel like at this point, our practice coordinators have a little bit higher expectations of us, so we've reached a point that we should know how things are run and how to do things, so making less mistakes, which is good, like to kind of progress ourselves. In the beginning, obviously there's so much to learn, so much to do, so you're going to make mistakes and things might be slower, but I feel like now we've reached a point where we should be doing our appointments faster and we should be doing things more independently. So it's been difficult because I feel like that higher expectation of us, so we have to be more on top of things and know more of what's going on. But I'm excited for the next couple of months because I feel like I have a lot of things planned. So I have a lot of crowns coming up, and I have those dentures coming up. I have some partials, so I'm really excited for the next couple of months. The seniors are graduating soon, so they'll be out of clinic, which means we have more time for ourselves in clinic. We'll have more pros faculty that can attend to us, and I think it'll be a really good time before the next class comes into clinic and starts procedures. So it'll be good to get a lot of requirements done and get ahead. So I'm looking forward to that. But I meant to start studying for the board this week, but I think I'll start studying next week. And I will talk about how I'm studying more in depth next week and then show you guys like how I get started with it. But yeah, I am going to do like a little bit more of busy work now, and then I'm going to head to core power yoga. And this weekend, I just want to have like a very chill weekend, relax, because I'm just so tired, and just kind of do nothing this weekend and organize. I really want to organize my patient information and work on my clinic binder, organizing things. So that's my plan for the weekend. But yeah, I think I might end off the vlog here. I hope I have enough for you guys this week. I'm gonna work on being better at vlogging. I feel like I keep saying that, but I honestly am going to try and be better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram so you can see those daily reels that I'm doing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for being here and subscribing and following along my journey. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.